Hi guys, this is Shelly with Shelly Cooks. I'm just going to show you how to make a quick batch of pickled onions. You can use these on sandwiches, you can use them on breakfast eggs, you can use them on tacos, a variety of things. So I already have two good sized red onions in here that I've sliced quite thin on the mandolin. And now I'm going to finish this other one to make it 3. I'm going to remove big pieces because I don't want big chunks in it. Okay, so our onions are peeled. I have a saucepan here. In the saucepan, I'm going to add 4 cups of cold water. I'm going to add 4 cups of just plain white vinegar. There we go. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan. And 2/3 of cup of cane sugar. I suppose you can use any sugar you want. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the stove and let this boil. So while our pickling sauce or liquid is boiling, we're going to fill these jars up with these onions. Okay, just separate them a bit so that they're in rings. Here we go. Actually, before I do that, let me add just a little bit of peppercorns to each of these. So that's just maybe a half a teaspoon in the smaller ones and a little bit more in the bigger one. And I have some garlic here that I also smashed just to break it up a bit, and I'm going to put that in here. And I'm going to maybe just cut this one a little bit more. This is a little big for here. There. Whoopsie. There we go. And I'm going to add just a little bit of red pepper flakes to each as well. So that's about a half a teaspoon and maybe 3/4 in that one, okay? Keeps it from falling all over the place. Yeah, these are powerful onions, boy. That's perfect for that one. So guys, our pickling vinegar has boiled, and now I'm going to let this cool down completely, and I'll fill these jars up with it once it's cooled, and I'll put lids on them and refrigerate them. And these should last you for a few months. So give it a try. I think you'll really enjoy them on tacos, sandwiches, things like that. Thanks so much.